Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you are going to learn how to insert a tick mark in Excel. First of all, open the sheet where you want to insert the tick mark and navigate to the cell where you want to insert it. From the tabs at the top, select Insert and then click the symbol button on the far right. A dialog box will appear and you need to select Wingdings from the drop-down list at the top. You will see a wide range of different symbols and you need to scroll all the way through this to the bottom. You will then see several tick mark options and you simply need to click on the one that you want to use. Click Insert and you will see the symbol has been placed into your sheet. Click Close. What is particularly useful about using the tick mark in this way is that it is text. This means that you can adjust the size and color of the symbol very easily. Click on the Home tab and try adjusting the text size and color of the text to give the check mark a different effect. And that's pretty much it. You now know how to insert a basic tick mark in Excel.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.